At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. The police high command says a probe has been launched by the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM, into an altercation on the weekend at a popular party involving off-duty members of the JCF. Yeah, so that party, maybe someone want to hear about it already. That party is Rebel's party. So Rebel keep our birthday party over the weekend, my wisdom warriors. Anyway, I want to know if Rebel is a brand. I want to know if Rebel is signed to Romeich. I don't know if someone want to know Romeich. Anyway, Lord Jesus, me I tell you no man. So there's a TikToker called TJ and Maya. For some reason, obviously, TJ, Maya went to Rebel's party. When them got Rebel party, you know, everybody did it, everybody enjoyed themselves. For whatever reason now, I believe, because this is what I heard, Jaden went on the stage. Jaden is another TikToker, my wisdom warrior. So Jaden must be on the stage, must see a DJ or host or whatever I do. TJ must go up there and TJ did a video. Jaden, this is what I heard. And also, TJ did want to bring an upcoming artist on the stage. This is what I heard. I'm not sure if I saw it go, but my wisdom warriors better start telling other people them business. Anyway, now let me just get to the nitty gritty. Anyway, now the security them now come and they might tell TJ if I come off of the stage, one bag of something and blah blah blah. TJ is saying just a video Jaden because I believe Jaden asked him to do it. Because TJ are the one always sketch a little things them, the little up close things them, how them dress or how them toenail look and TJ always get that for the people them, because the people them love them something there. Because him know if a video good My wisdom warriors. So them a run TJ off of the stage. TJ come off of the stage, blah, blah, blah. And one bag of something, I'm going to show you the video clip here, man, because, boy, this a story, I just upside it down. What me not understand now, Romeich sending security them, figure go beat up TJ. TJ not do nothing. TJ already come off of the stage. TJ never disrespect you. So why are you sending off-duty police officers to beat up TJ? That me not understand. My wisdom warriors. Me watch the video, Me watch the video and me hear a girl voice. It sound like a pretty. Me never see her face, but her voice, it sound like a pretty. Me not sure if a she, But just me recognize her voice. You understand? And the person there say, Romeich send man figure beat up TJ. And say TJ over there, so? Say TJ over there, so. This is what the video person did I say. And then when you look at just see me be a man start beat up the youth and one bag of something. Oh Jesus. Romeich, what is wrong with you? Why would you send the man figure box down TJ? TJ come to you and say, look how the security them a deal with him because he did up on the stage. And TJ take you as him friend and TJ look up to you. This is what TJ say now. TJ look up to you. So TJ just come to you. You understand? Out of respect. When you see me come to you out of respect and I say, look how I go on G. Look how the security them a push me. You understand? Oh, really I go on. Max cover. My wisdom warriors. When TJ walk off, they must tell TJ, say one of them tell TJ say if you go SY in mother. So TJ turn around and say that back to him. And then TJ continue walking and then TJ say here, be a footstep, be a man. You understand? And everybody just start to beat him up. What Romeich did was wrong. Romeich should never do something like that. Romeich say him a top a Norris producer. Him a top. You understand? Why would you do something like that? Why would you do something like that? And it is alleged that him always do these things. And when me say so, it is alleged. People is saying that there's allegations out there. You understand? Same as always a text set upon people. You should never do that, youth. And you know what? I believe him thinking did I go get away with this. In thinking did I go get away with it, my wisdom warriors. Because guess what? You see Maya, a lot of people like Maya. So just say social media favorite is Maya, but not TJ. You get me? I realize that, say, I know everybody like TJ. To me, TJ come across very nice. He's a nice person. I realize, say, how Jamaican people is, some of them, they don't like when you're nice and a peacemaker. They like when you're rough and, yeah, and they like when you're guani and galang with yourself. So, that them like. TJ, on the other hand, is a peacemaker. Whenever I see videos with him always a squash things and I give good advice and all these things. That is TJ. My wisdom warriors, it not right or Romeich though. Romeich get punished for what him do. Yes, he get punished for what him do. Maybe a something he has been doing for a long time. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Because remember, they hear him voice, them hear him voice, pan the phone, them hear him voice, my wisdom warriors, a send man for go beat down TJ, And apparently, one of the officers is called Andre. He's a police officer, my wisdom warriors, but I believe him work with Romeich like part-time. You understand me? So, Andre go and do him afido. Maya now, obviously Maya is there with her man. I don't know how it go already, because if me, there's someone with my man, and they feel like them I go gang my man, I don't know how it go, I go defend my man. So I don't blame Maya. So me hear some people on social media or out here defending Romeich, and I talk about TJ wrong and Maya wrong. Hey, on a go, go. This is why violence and crime can't stop in a Jamaica. No for no woman, no for no forget licking on no blouse and skirt. Because when people out here are defend the woman, them on the same woman are bring down woman. On for blouse and skirt, stop it. On for stop it. On not see how much crime and violence are going in the country. When I hear some people attack my wisdom warriors, I couldn't believe. Me can't believe say a woman attack like this. I said, but Moya shouldn't go on. Why she not go defend her man? She went for even try for part it. Because she know she can't manage them. She'll try part it. She'll try block it. She don't want them to lick her man. So yeah, tell me say, uno girl go there road with for uno man. And I go just make uno man get beat up. And uno not even try to stop it. So what kind of woman is uno now? Unless you don't rate that the man there. You must not rate that. Me understand, with some woman when man give them bun, and man treat them like shit. Maybe you feel like to defend the boy, because boy forget it. But listen to me, you have a real man out there who respect them woman and take care of them woman. You understand? And take care of them wife, them girlfriend. So if them girlfriend or them wife feel like so them are going to try to stop a war or stop some boy from eat them man, yeah, them for do it, because this is what I would do. Any boy feel like them bad, I want to come gang my husband, yeah, and from me dead, me I got war too. Sorry, it's natural. All when me know me can't fight. All when me know them I go let down my blouse and skirt. Me have to do something. Even one of them bite one of them something. Me have to do it. You understand me, my wisdom warriors? So when I hear women out here talking bad about Maya, the girlfriend of TJ, cause the girl go there try for, when the girl says she defend it, and the girl let them, the girl go there try to push them off, try to stop them from beat up her man. What wrong with that? And uno woman out here a defend Romeich, no for una get lick on the quiet. And so una get licking on no blouse and skirt. That's why no for una glad when uno see Maya get licked down. Because no for una get licked. So uno glad if you see the little girl a get slap up. Uno too wicked. And no for una never like Maya for a long time. Maya is a decent girl. Enough time me hear wanna talk about Maya underneath the quiet. You know, look here and there wanna talk like things. Cause Maya look good girl. And if I wanna jealous of the girl, wanna for stop it. My wisdom warriors, I have the video them right here. Take a look at this.
TJ girlfriend Moya finally speaks out.
Real badness a one-on-one that me know about. If me have to we fist it out. I mean, I have no problem for fight man either. Me got eat for life. It's not coming back from this with me. And all me stay. You see, once people dead to me, and you're dead to me. And I know enough people now go want to come out and talk, yeah, everybody's Santa Claus, and that's fine. You're not my Santa Claus, though. You're not my Dana, you're not my God. I one God, me have another one up there. So we don't need to no dealings. You don't know me, me don't know you. You're dead to me. Everybody will reach out to me and been messaging me. I am grateful. I just go through the motion. Like 1 minute, I'm angry to me, feel like more and make decisions. I'm not for make. And next minute, I just a ball. Like, I just got cheap because it's just shocking. Like, I just can't believe all this happened. Like, come like I know, I can't believe it. I swear. I feel wonder if it's a dream. Like, this have to be a dream. This could never real.
So my wisdom warriors, that is Maya. That is TJ, girlfriend Maya. Anyway, me want to hear where Romeich have to say, take in this. Me have spice video too, you know. Yeah, man. I have Romeich Bredda video too. Because Romeich Bredda come out. You understand? But first, take in this.
Feel like, alright, cancel me. Message all like corporate company, they message my friend, message my family, say, yo, Romeich a pussy, the boy for go down, a batty boy, this and that. No problem. But you don't bring people, friends and family in a certain way. Right? Message TJ yesterday, I'm telling him, say, bro, anything, any consequences, if you want me pay back for this, if you want me fix back that, if you want me start out the doctor something, no problem. Message him again and say to him, say, bro, if you want me come on live and apologize, me will take all, either, everything. Because again, at the spur of the moment, we always do fuckery. And it come back and haunt we. Alright? Me not do the apology of it, none of you like me. And me not do the apology of it, none of you sorry for me. I do the apology of it. The people in my TikTok, everybody will feel that way about it. Miss Triple, Raja, Swiss, Rebel, everybody. And most of all, TJ and Maya and them friends and them family. That is who me I do the apology for. Me don't need none of you to like me. Me don't need none of you to want to deal with me. Me don't need none of you to want to do nothing want to say on another driver. Any idea? This apology is to say sorry for them publicly. And when you can spread it, I don't want to spread it, and you can continue to bash me. But I'm telling you this. Leave my family out of it. Can't make innocent people get hurt. Seem like, oh yeah, we're going to do something with TJ and Maya getting it so wrong. So wrong in every way. And again, there is a lot of stuff that's adding to it, and there's a lot of stuff that is fueling to it. Which, I see everything, but I just hold it. I see everybody a bash, I see everybody attack, and again, they're not wrong. Because maybe if somebody did do the same thing to a friend or a family to me, would have come out and do the same thing. You see me? So, to everybody on the 1st of December, right here, so, everybody. And when I say everybody, I talk even people that like me.
So that is Romeich. So Romeich come out and say, I apologize, my wisdom warriors. To me, I don't feel that that apology was genuine. Seriously, I don't feel it was sincere. Me just not feel that the apology. Wanna see how quick he come out and defend for him family? Wanna see how quick he come out and defend for him family? But remember, so when he send the police to go and beat up TJ, yeah, him never business about Maya. Him never business about Maya, don't it? Right. My wisdom warriors. Hear what TJ have to say. Take in this.
Like him say, pussy, come on for this. Like him say, pussy, come on for the stage. So I turned to him and say, yo, pussy, we are called pussy. And that was it, I walk off. Because when I say, I don't want no big tick security come throw me off for the stage. Well, when the system light, You understand? I can't manage big security, and you see me? And for Romeich make a talk, I have to comply because I don't want you to say me mash up no man thing. It's just that I feel like say I'm good because I'm a TikToker. As soon as you can see Romeich become a part of TikTok family, so I think say I'm good. You understand? Anyway, I take my little shame and I come off of the stage. Same time Romeich texts me, the dog texts me, and like him say, TJ, nobody hype up yourself because you know, like him say, you don't know them man they are not at work, the man them at work. So I say, Romeich, I not how hype drop in, I literally just did it, you can't see me that, I still have the video on my phone, but the video even cut short. You understand? So I reply to him, I say, Romeich, I never do nothing bro, I never hype up, I just literally have video. You see me? Anyways, that done, I go back in my cabana and I go and enjoy the rest of the performance because by this time now, I think it was Chronicler come up and I do the artist start perform now. Otherwise some Maya and Jaden thing, Candy thing, the bigger artists them come on now. And them I do them work and thing, and I guess at this point now some little scruffling go on backstage, and I don't know what happened, guys. I don't know what happened. Although I see one video what happened with the same Andre youth, because apparently I get to understand say I know me alone him beat up and kick up. Him beat up and kick up somebody before him beat up and kick up me. You understand? Whatever that happened backstage, the same police where do that to me and beat to somebody else. You get me? Anyways now, as I say all of that done, police, I guess banker say yo the party have a lock off, him say him have good news and bad news. You know selector deal with it. They say bad news is thanks to come out a rebel party, blah blah blah, party have a lock off now. By this time now everybody will pack up and say alright now, we're going yard. This is the thing now, when me I walk, cause me I exit the venue from backstage because that's where I enter from. See, because a VIP ticket. Right? While I was leaving the venue, Mr. Romeich and couple man stand up. You see me? Not if I talk them attack or what. I just see them stand up or whatever they do. You understand? Because when I said the event done now. While me I walk past Romeich now, I stop to Romeich and I said, dog, how the man them do me up on the stage, bro? I'm a walk off. I did not say pussy or anything. I said, Romeich, how the man them do me up on the stage, brother? I'm a walk off. While me I walk off now, one of the man them where they around him say like him say, yo, pussy go suck your mother. So I turn around and I say, when you go suck back on the mother, I'm a step. You understand? I say go suck back on the mother, I'm a step. Me personally believe say Romeich would have known say I know him me attack, because remember the little thing we're going with the security them, I guess at them they around him. So when that man at him about mother, I say alright them more than I like the same little security boy them. So I say alright then you tell me about mother, I say go suck back on the mother. You see me? This was not directed to Romeich, none at all. None at all. Remember, on the day before the party keep, and me and Romeich that they live. You see me? The day before me in office, we have a little discussion about the whole cabana thing, you know, and we talk and we solve the whole issue. Him come and say, yo, TJ that good man, you know, my gift gallery want full out. Send me a lion later when you go home. You see me? As I go home, him call me, him send him the lion, I send him the lion. I think this was on the exact day of the party too. I send him the lion, pan the live. Is it the day before or the day on? See? Anyway, well, while me I walk to my car now, I hear this big commotion behind me. This big commotion, and is that me I hear TJ, and then me I hear Andre, like me I hear Andre, TJ, and you see me I hear this big commotion behind me. You see me? When me turn around now for see our, I only see this big, thick brother. Yo, we just say, boom, in my face immediately before I could even answer. By the time I get the first lick and, you know, like, you know when I just get a thump in your face, you just frazzle out, you don't even know how I go on, to tell you the truth. I don't even know how I go.
So, you hear what TJ have to say. You hear what TJ have to say. Remember, you know, them jump him, you know. Them jump him. And I like say a 1-to-1, you know, my wisdom warriors, then jump him. Whole heap of man, I beat up the youth. The youth could have dead. You understand? The girlfriend come and try to stop it and then thump her down. The only thing me can't show those videos over here. But if you don't want to see the video them, all you have to do is join the WhatsApp group. The number is 876-236-9097. Yeah, you know so me have to follow community guidelines at all times. Anyway, Spice come out on this, and this is what Spice had to say.
Maya is a hero. And she should be applauded. Me raise me hat after Maya. Because the girl stand up and defend herself. And defend her man. And man they run her and do and still like them no see. And the same girl them and whoever no want talk and keep silence when the time is near or next. So all who never hear and all who never understand, we could go back in the nitty-gritty. Me a talk about the main reason why me a talk, because if it is me, them never did go keep silent. Them would have called up the 300 girl and tell them all kind of things to come talk against me. Because that's something I want to do for years. So if you just join the live, me I send out a message to Farah of dancehall. Stop use the people them. Stop manipulate them. Stop use what God have blessed you with to bad mind and use it against others. Before the life cut off, me talk about the lion them where you recycle and go on like say, you give nobody nothing. You take one lion from one TikToker and take the same lion, send it go give one next TikToker, all for them call you done. And the people them will see the things them and quiet and silence about it because the man can go to 100 US and want to look at 500 US. Uno are the problem. Uno are the problem. I don't want to continue this live without even speaking that Maya is a hero. Me don't care how no one look at the situation. But Maya is a hero. Modern day hero. I don't know if she get my message, but when the incident, I'm going to send her a DM on TikTok. Immediately when me see it, because I tell her, it hurt my soul. It hurt my soul. And a long time, Romeich do things like this. The only difference is that he was caught this one time. So if he was caught this one time, you can imagine how many other times he has been doing stuff like this to people. Manipulation. Romeich have a narcissistic behavioral pattern. And somebody have to sit down and talk to him. If him understand, say, you say God, a one God. After times we see people do things, you know. And we think them act like, say, there's multiple gods. There's one God. One God that sit high and look low. One God that never sleep. So meanwhile, you do things behind closed door and the people might not know, remember God sees. So I want to go back to the point of when we listen to TJ saying, when him get the beat up, when the man them gang him, he run to Romeich. Because you have to understand, say, the video never come out yet. The video with the incident, it never come out yet. So little did TJ know, said the person where him a run to, he say, yo, wagwan, him see him one, instigate and conspire and send the man them to beat him. You know how sad that is? Me wonder if, me see some people that take the situation light. You know, listen to. Go back and listen to the things them. TJ say when the man them gang him and beat him out the door. I remember, you know, me talk already say him could have dead. You know, now realize say them could have kicked the man in him head and him.
So my wisdom warriors, you tell me if you agree with Spice, tell me how you feel about this. Anyway, Romeich brother come out and this is what he have to say.
Wanna stop comment pa my thing but me fi talk to my brother. Like wanna not understand say me and the man no deal. The man no deal with me so me fi go talk to him and say. Eh? What me fi go talk to Romeich and say now when me the man no deal? Man no deal with me. So what me fi do? What you want me do? You wrong for when do yes but what me go talk to him and say? Can't talk to him and say nothing cause me and the man no deal. And my brother yes but me and him no deal. What me go talk to him and say? Just stop comment pa my shit man and tell me fi talk to him man. Can't talk to him.